Your living room is the heart of your home, a space where you relax, entertain, and express your personal style. But does your living room truly reflect your vision? In this video, we'll share expert styling and decor tips to help you transform your space into a stylish and functional retreat. Whether you love modern minimalism, cozy elegance, or bold statement pieces, there's something here for every home. Let's dive in. Choosing the right color palette. Color sets the tone for your living room. Here are some key tips. Artist palette: neutral tones, soft whites, grays, and beiges create a timeless and airy feel. Herb: earthy and warm shades, rich browns, deep greens, and warm terracotta bring coziness. Performing arts: bold and dramatic colors, navy blue, emerald green, or deep charcoal add a sophisticated edge. A fresh coat of paint or colorful decor accents can instantly refresh your space without a major renovation. Furniture layout and arrangement. How you arrange your furniture can make or break your living room's flow. Here's what to keep in mind. Heavy checkmark: define a focal point. This could be a fireplace, a large window, or a statement piece of art. Heavy checkmark: create conversation areas. Arrange seating to encourage easy conversation. Heavy checkmark: leave room for movement. Ensure at least 2 to 3 feet of walking space between furniture pieces. Heavy checkmark: consider multifunctional furniture. Ottomans with storage, modular sofas, and nesting tables help maximize space. A well-planned layout enhances both comfort and functionality. Styling with textures and layers. Adding texture is the secret to a cozy and inviting living room. Couch and lamps, soft throws and plush cushions. Mix different fabrics like velvet, linen, and wool for depth. Framed picture: layered rugs. A large area rug can define the space, while a smaller accent rug adds visual interest. Natural elements: wooden furniture, stone decor, and woven baskets bring warmth and balance. By layering different textures, your living room will feel more dynamic and inviting. Lighting for ambience and function. Lighting can completely transform your living room's mood. Here's how to get it right. Light bulb: layered lighting. Combine ceiling lights, floor lamps, and table lamps for a balanced glow. Candle accent lighting: use LED strips or sconces to highlight artwork and shelves. Sun with face: maximize natural light. Sheer curtains or large mirrors can make the space feel brighter and more open. Soft, warm lighting creates a cozy and welcoming ambience in the evenings. Decorating with art and statement pieces. Personalize your living room with decor that speaks to you. Artist palette: gallery wall, mix framed artwork, photos, and mirrors for a curated look. Seedling greenery and plants: indoor plants bring freshness and a touch of nature. Amphora: unique accents, vases, sculptures, and decorative books add personality. Choose pieces that complement your style while keeping the space balanced and uncluttered. With the right mix of colors, furniture, textures, lighting, and decor, your living room can become a stylish and comfortable haven. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.